comes Rascal, leading the way. Trixie's bouncing, ready to play. Lulu's watching, sharp and small. Together they're the bravest of all.
Rascal and Crew, we're racing the sun. Every day's a brand new run. Wheels fun, we can do adventures calling for Rascal and Crew.
Over the hills and under the trees, chasing the wind and feeling the breeze. When there's trouble, they'll see it through. Three best friends, loyal and true. Feels excitement. Ooh. No mountains too high, no roads too long. We bought together, our hearts are strong. From the city streets to the ocean blue, the world's wide open for me and you. Final finish.
Rascal and Crew, we're racing the sun. Every day's a brand new run. Laugh and learn, the fun's never through. Adventures calling for Rascal and Crew. People call me the one, got the best in day and sun. Adventures land.
All right, crew. Evening patrol complete. Nothing suspicious, just how I like it.
It's so calm. I hope nothing spooky happens.
Calm is good. Calm means safe. The moon rises. A long, eerie howl echoes.
Eek! Did you hear that?
I did. And that wasn't any dog I know.
Unknown sound detected. We should be cautious. The howl comes closer, louder.
What if it's a monster?
Easy, Trix. Monsters usually don't howl on a schedule.
Still, we should investigate carefully. They track the sound toward the old windmill.
Stick together, crew.
I'm right behind you.
I'll guard the rear. Shadows move as the windmill creaks.
Those shadows are moving.
Relax. Shadows can't bite.
But whatever's making that sound might. A powerful howl bursts out again.
Okay, now I'm officially scared.
Fear's okay. Running without thinking isn't.
Agreed. Let's observe first. Lullu finds paw prints. These tracks are fresh, but small.
Small tracks, big howl? Interesting.
So it's not a monster?
They peek behind the windmill.
It's just a puppy.
A puppy with a loud voice.
He looks lost. The puppy whimpers.
I was trying to call my family. Ah, you weren't scary at all.
Next time, don't wander alone at night.
They guide the puppy home. We assume danger before understanding.
That's why we investigate, not panic.
And why we help.
The puppy reunites with family.
Thank you, Rascal and Crew.
Just doing our job.
Best night ever.
They walk home together.
Not everything scary is dangerous.
And teamwork keeps us safe.
Next time I hear a howl, I'll think first.
Sometimes the scariest sounds come from someone who just needs help. Stay alert, stick together, and never jump to conclusions.